Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Prime Day automotive deals that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Zipolo sunglasses holder for car sun visor. This simple yet stylish accessory is designed for drivers who value convenience and organization. Made from high-grade leather, the sunglasses holder exudes a premium feel while ensuring durability. The built-in magnets are a standout feature, providing a secure grip for your eyewear without scratching the lenses or temples. Plus, the soft interior material adds an extra layer of protection. Installing the holder is a breeze. Thanks to its magnetic suction design, it attaches securely to your car's sun visor in under 30 seconds. This means no tools, no hassle, just straightforward functionality. It's small and lightweight, so it doesn't obstruct your view or take up unnecessary space. Beyond sunglasses, it's also capable of holding tickets, cards, or cash, making it a versatile addition to your car's interior. Now, while the Zipolo sunglasses holder is thoughtfully designed, it's not without its limitations. It's a niche product, best suited for those who regularly use sunglasses while driving. If you're someone seeking a highly functional yet subtle organizer for your visor, this product is worth considering. However, its utility is somewhat limited compared to other items on this list. Pros include its sleek design, strong magnetic grip, and ease of installation, while cons are its relatively narrow use case. It's perfect for those who want to keep their sunglasses safe and within reach in style. Coming in at number 4 is the T-Carve Car Cleaning Gel, a surprisingly effective tool for keeping your car's interior spotless. This high-tech cleaning putty is perfect for reaching tight nooks and crannies where traditional cleaning tools fall short. Whether it's dust in your air vents or crumbs in your cup holders, this gel picks up debris with ease. It's also reusable, making it an eco-friendly option. You simply store it back in its jar after use. The gel's design is both practical and fun. Its sticky texture effortlessly clings to dust and dirt but doesn't leave residue behind, ensuring a clean finish every time. It's versatile enough for use beyond your car. Keyboards, remotes, and other rugged surfaces can benefit from it. That said, it shouldn't be used on carpets or wet surfaces. The fresh ocean scent is an added bonus, leaving your car smelling clean and inviting. While the T-Carve Cleaning Gel excels in cleaning hard-to-reach areas, it does have its drawbacks. It's not a heavy-duty cleaner, so it won't replace a vacuum or other deep cleaning tools. Additionally, its effectiveness diminishes over time as it picks up more grime. Nonetheless, it's an affordable and convenient solution for quick touch-ups. Pros include its ease of use, versatility, and reusability, while cons are its limited lifespan and inability to handle wet surfaces. Ideal for anyone who values a clean and tidy car interior. At number 3, we have the Liv T Smart LED car lights, a must-have for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their vehicle's interior. These LED lights come with 16 million color options and a DIY mode accessible through a smartphone app, allowing you to customize the ambiance to match your mood. The built-in microphone syncs the lights to your music, creating a dynamic light show that makes every drive feel like a party. One of the standout features is the use of advanced fiber optic material, which ensures even light distribution and zero brightness loss. The strips can be cut to any length, making them adaptable to various car interiors. The USB-powered design is both practical and universal, though it's worth noting that it's only compatible with 5-volt USB ports. Installation is straightforward, but you'll need to ensure the gaps in your car are suitable for the fiber optic strips. While the Liv T Smart LED lights are fun and functional, they aren't without their challenges. The app control can sometimes be finicky, and the product isn't equipped with a physical remote, which might inconvenience some users. Additionally, it's a purely decorative item and doesn't add practical functionality. Pros include its extensive customization options, vibrant colors, and easy installation, while cons are app dependency and limited compatibility with USB power sources. Perfect for anyone who loves to personalize their car and enjoys vibrant lighting effects. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Nexpeak NC101 car battery charger. This versatile and smart battery maintainer is packed with features that make it a standout choice for vehicle owners. It supports all 12-volt lead-acid batteries, including AGM, gel, and SLA, and delivers a 6 amp-hour charging current, which is faster than most trickle chargers. The pulse repair function is a game-changer, helping to restore battery performance and extend its lifespan. The charger's design is both user-friendly and efficient. A large LCD screen provides real-time updates on charging status, voltage, current, and even the internal temperature. It features multiple safety protections, including reverse polarity, overcurrent, and short-circuit safeguards, giving you peace of mind during use. The plug-and-play design ensures it's easy to operate, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. While the Nexpeak NC101 is a fantastic tool, it's not capable of reviving completely dead batteries, which could be a drawback for some users. Additionally, it's not a jump starter, so it's more suited for battery maintenance rather than emergency use. Pros include its smart charging capabilities, pulse repair function, and user-friendly design, while cons are its limitation with dead batteries and lack of jump-start functionality. Ideal for those who want to maintain and extend the life of their vehicle's battery. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Noco Boost GB40 1000A Ultra Safe Jump Starter. This compact yet powerful device delivers up to 1,000 amps of peak current, making it capable of jump-starting 6.0-liter gas and 3.0-liter diesel engines. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery on a cold morning or in the middle of nowhere, the GB40 has you covered. It's not just a jump starter. It doubles as a portable power bank with USB ports for charging your devices. And it even includes a 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, including SOS. The build quality of the GB40 is outstanding. It features rugged, rubberized housing that's IP65 rated for water and dust resistance, ensuring it can handle tough conditions. Despite its durability, it weighs just 2.4 pounds, making it highly portable and easy to store in your glove box or emergency kit. The patented ultra-safe technology ensures spark-proof operation and reverse polarity protection, making it safe and foolproof to use, even for beginners. There's very little to criticize about the Noco Boost GB40. It's slightly more expensive than basic jump starters, but the added features and reliability justify the price. Pros include its powerful performance, compact design, and additional functionalities like the power bank and flashlight. The only con is that it might be overkill for those with smaller vehicles who rarely encounter battery issues. Perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, multifunctional device for emergencies and everyday use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.